How you going, guys? I love my Bonnie one here. Just going to open up a box of Court Kings 9010 and hopefully get some good hits. I've been pretty lucky. I've opened 3 boxes so far and I've been getting 5 hits per box. By the way, the last jumbo card I didn't show anyone, but it was just Harris 275 of 349. But, anyway, no auto box topper yet, but anyway, see how we go. There we go. Okay, first card is Danny Granger of 314 of 450. David West 89 of 149. Billups, love Billups, 33 of 99. The Big Patrick, 222 of 249. Keep putting the card up here. Must be getting tired. Dribble Kings, oh cool, Nash. Number 7 of 149. Nice low number. It's quite nice. I haven't seen many of them yet. So, Shaquille O'Neal. It's weird. Like I've been getting a lot of these same numbered cards. Like you got Shaquille O'Neal, and that's 007 of 299, and I got Nash 007 of 149. I mean, it's getting a bit freaky. First hit. Second is Troy Murphy. Awesome. 124 of 149. Okay, we've got an auto of Taj Gibson from the Bulls. 147 of 649. He went alright this year at the end of the season. I thought he'd done quite well. He gets a bit more bench time. Okay. I'm going to blank it. David Lee. I've already got one of these. 070 of 199. So we got 007, 007, and 070. Getting a bit freaky. And a redemption. Carl Landry. Carl Landry of the Rockets. 128 of 450. And we got redemption card. Good old redemption. Okay, you see that? It's a bit hard to see, isn't it? It is Panini programmed card set rookies 132. 132 rookies. 132. 132 rookies. Johnny Flynn. Wow, awesome. Could have been Blake or someone like that. What's 132? Yep. Can't get much worse than that, but I'll take it. Still getting 5 hits a box, guys. I'm still getting 2 autos and 3 jersey cards a box, which is really, really good. Because I mean, that's 4 boxes and that's 5 hits per box, which they only say you get 4 autographs or memoirs per box. So I'm actually probably taking off someone else, but got to have a bit of luck sometime, don't we? So see how we go. That's that one. See, I've done it again. I almost got the box top. Okay. Okay. Chris Bosh. I was going to say if I know a guy that just signed to Bosch. I'll tell you what, if that was like an auto, but I'm not sure if Chris Bosh is a exchange. If that was an auto, he'd be spewing because I just have to keep it. But anyway, 182 of 349. I know he's already got one, so that can go in my collection if no one else wants it. So yeah, still getting good hits per box. Hopefully get some Kobe or some Magic or I don't know, bit of Blake. See how we go in the next few boxes. Thanks, guys.